Hi Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 29th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Capricorn, we're jumping straight into your reading. We are doing your past life reading. Were you ever curious about if you were something other than the devil in your past lives? Well, look no further, Capricorn. This is your past life reading. Let's go ahead and go into this. Let us see, who were you in a past life, Capricorn? Who were you? Were you always this controlling? The Hierophants, no you weren't. You weren't the devil. You were the opposite, Capricorn. You were doing the worshipping. I'm getting Pope. You were the Pope, Capricorn. You were the highest man in the church. Everybody come to you for worship and guidance. So you were an earth sign, Capricorn, but you weren't the devil. You were the Pope. You were the Hierophant. That is good. What did you do? The Eight of Wands. You used to share the word with the people. Read the Bible, give the people the word. You used to tell everybody about the word of. This is what you used to do. What challenges did you face? The World card. It could be sexuality challenges you face, or been getting balancing men and women. You had to make the men stop hating the women and the women stop being scared of the man. You had to balance out everything. That's what I'm getting. How did you die? The devil. Now this could mean a demonic entity, a demonic possession. It possesses you when you're dead. Or I'm getting the devil kill you. You were the Pope though. So I'm getting the Capricorn, in the past life, you were the Hierophant. You were trying to separate man from woman, the good from the bad. Maybe the evil, the dark side got you. Or I'm getting some Satan worshipper kill you. Basically, what lesson did you learn? The Six of Pentacles. Do not help everybody, because not everybody's soul is worth helping. Some might will come back and haunt you. They give somebody money today, okay, tomorrow you don't know why this energy on you, called a spell. Maybe it's a reason the person impoverished. It's a reason the person look that way. And how have you been influenced? The Queen of Cups. You might have came back as a girl in this past life, but me getting no. I'm getting at first, Capricorn, did you use the devil for control people? Then you use God and the Pope. Now you just give people the benefit of the doubt to be who they want to be. If they want lie, make them lie. If they want sin, make them sin. And if they want tell the truth, make them tell the truth. But me getting that everybody can trust Capricorn, and you see this. Because you're saying that's why the devil did get so much soul, because it's so easy. But me getting you weren't the devil, you were a Hierophant. But me getting the devil kill you. Or something about Saturn in Taurus, or Venus in Capricorn. We're getting maybe some high level people come to you and say, well, why you join the brotherhood? We're getting a them kill you. Basically, that's what happened to your Capricorn. We have Virgo. We have Gemini. We have FBI. We have the World card, and we have Vision. I'm going to leave it here, Capricorn, until next time. Bye.